Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm gonna help you learn how to change your fonts for Instagram bio. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Start by tapping open your Instagram application. If you've ever seen an outstanding Instagram bio with striking fonts and attractive looks, and if you are wondering how it's possible, then there are several sites for that. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this with LingoJam website. Go to your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, from your profile page, tap on Edit Profile. Go to the bio section and you'll be able to see your bio for your Instagram. Simply copy the bio by selecting the entire text and tap on Copy. Now, go open up a web browser. In the search area, type in LingoJam and search. From the search results, tap on this first link that you see, which will take you to lingojam.com. Now, you'll be able to see two text fields displayed on the screen. In the first text box, you'll need to type in or paste in the normal text that you just copied from your Instagram bio. Once you type it in, you'll be able to discover loads of attractive fonts that you can use for your bio. Paste your normal text here at the top and then wait for a few seconds. After a few seconds, you'll be able to find and scroll through the options right below on the next box. Now choose the best fonts that you like for your Instagram bio, and once you find it, simply copy the text by selecting the entire text and tap Copy. Now all you have to do is go back to your Instagram application and simply erase the current bio for your account, paste in the new bio in the text box. As you can see that the bio has been pasted in and it looks pretty good. Tap on the tick mark at the top right corner after you are done, and there you have your bio pasted into your bio section. Tap on the tick mark at the top right corner one more time from this page, and now, as you can see that, I have added a pretty attractive font for my Instagram bio. That is how you can do it. I hope you liked the video. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.